Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi guys, I am Handal Panggayu Pandu Demokrasi from Psychology Majors. I was born in the city of Jambi and I live in the town of Jambi, a new city of Kelurahan Kenalia Sambawa. Where I live, there are some tourist spots. What were you thinking when you saw this picture? If you think that this is a pagoda, you are wrong. This is a mosque, which is Admiral Cheng Ho Mosque. Nah, this mosque, Admiral Cheng Ho Mosque, carries an architectural concept that is thick with Chinese culture, with, with its distinctive red ornaments. A mosque in the design looks like a pagoda. This mosque is a symbol of peace among believers. The mosque was opened for public worshippers at the Lunar New Year celebration on February 12, 2021. Uniquely, what makes Peralta Mensos in a Muslim? As a result, Admiral Cheng Ho Mosque was instantly widely known. In effect, it's already a student religious attraction. Okay, not far from the Cheng Ho Mosque, there is another tourist attraction of Muhammad Sabki City Park. Okay, the forest park of Muhammad Sabki was one of the green open space in the Jambi city's 11-hectare area. As a biodiversity preservation center, Muhammad Sabki Forest Park currently has about 187 plants and will continue to grow in his collection. It is one of the many outdoor tourist areas in the Abyss Urban Forest Park of the Muhammad Sabki, which is part of the outdoor tourism of the eco-producer, sports development, outbound education and research, the preservation of germ plasma, the preservation of diversity of plants and animals and ecosystem, and the production of timber. The urban forest park of Muhammad Sabski became one of the four family attractions in the city of the scientific tour because of the natural nuances of the urban forest, the cool and refreshing air, as well as a healthy oxygen manufacture, as the city forests still have hundreds of thousands of large trees to absorb carbon dioxide from city pollution, could be the educational center and the most affordable ticket price for all. At an 11-hectare area, urban forest currently has about 300 varieties of manicured plants. Some rare collection of forest plants also developed there. There are varieties of trees that have grown naturally, including aloes, sinew, beacons, forest durian, and others. In addition to the preservation, the Center for Biodiversity, Muhammad Sabski Forestry Park was also a means of education that Muhammad Sabski was attempting to provide educate information about the existing plants. Next is uh, pine forest. Okay, the city's pine forest was a conservation area for agarwood, bullion, sungkai, mahogany, and pine. Although this type of tree at the center is not one, it is filled with pine trees, so it is more familiar with the name pine forest. Okay, pine forest tour almost every afternoon have visitor, especially to millennial kids do photo hunting, not just for photo hunting, so pine forest tours are often used in pre-wedding photo sites, more visits to the pine forest on weekends, as well as on national holidays. Pine forest tours are made not only for visitors in the Jambi city, but also from visitors outside the Jambi area. Although this is known as a pine forest does not mean there are no other plants, since it was originally a conservatory that was then converted to a park resort by the Provincial Forestry Service. For this reason, there are also three such trees as aloes, sungkai, mahogany, and lion plants that are typical of Jambi. Then why is this place known as the pine forest? You might ask, because pine trees do dominate other trees. So, when visiting them, the first tree to be seen is pine. That's why it's finally known as the pine forest. It is popular tourist attraction, so many visitors come during holidays. Given the beauty and serenity of the moment, it, it is not wrong that this place became a popular place to invite family, friends, or other loved ones, especially if you are one of those who are preoccupied with other time-consuming physical and mental pursuits. By coming here you will be instantly consumed by the peace offered by this place, so that by the time you go back to your energy activity, you will be fully charged again. Okay. You can enjoy the pine forest with all the benefits provided both your management and by nature. For your own facilities, this place is well equipped such as park bench, swings, bonfires and other amenities that give you comfort when you visit here. For those of you who enjoy camping or would like to enjoy camping in the pine forest, you can do the same because it also provides a place to make camp. If you go camping, you will enjoy a view of the pine forest at night with a bonus Milky Way view on a clear day. For stars lovers, it is an opportunity where you can see the stars by the urban lights that make the star invisible. Okay, that is from me. Thank you and goodbye. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.